Oh my lord, man, here we go. It's getting real, people. It's gonna be down to the wire. Here he comes. Oh my god.
He's gonna Kyle Busch that car.
Hey, just make sure you both don't wreck and give the win to Allmindinger. Oh my god, man, it's getting real, bro. It's right there. He is right there, man. He can get, if he can get that, stick his nose in there.
Here comes Cindric as he works his way into one. Now it's still.
Here he goes. He's gonna dive it on in there. Allmindinger messed up. There goes Cindric to the inside.
He let him have it too.
He's gonna force him down though.
He'll wreck him, man. They'll wreck each other. Watch. They're gonna wreck each other. Allminder's gonna be the winner of this race.
Oh my god. He's gonna block the inside.
There we go, watch. Here we go. There we go. They're wiping out right now.
Makes contact. Contact. Bump and run. Bump and run right here. He's gonna give him the bumper right here though. Watch this.
There he goes. He's gonna wreck him. He's gonna wreck him.
Blocking.
He's gonna wreck him.
Bumper. Rose him up the track. White flag.
They're gonna wreck each other.
White flag.
Look at there. Oh!
Allmindinger messes up that turn. White flag. Is he gonna give him the bumper here?
No, he's gonna get him in another place. Watch. They're gonna wreck.
White flag, man.
They're gonna wreck each other and give Allmindinger the win. Here he comes. Here he comes.
I don't know what's gonna happen here, man. Let's see what happens. Shut up, Tank. Here they go.
As soon as he lets up all
Into the S's. Here's where Cindric had him.
Watch, as soon as he hits those brakes, Allminder's gonna be all over him.
Bell's in third now. Austin Cindric's gonna win this thing.
He's driving away now. Those new tires.
Maybe if he just dives it on into this last turn. No, it's over. Well, shit.
He finally won the race.
Wow. Holy shit, dude.
Why are you talking to him like that? You want him to shut up?
That was insane, dude.
Come here.
Congratulations. First career win for Austin Cindric.
Oh my lord, man. That was insane.
Steve, everyone around the course actually brought this up, but turnabout fair play. If we're going to use the bumper on me, I'm going to use the bumper on you.
And that's how you do it. That's how you push somebody up out of the way without wrecking them. That's great hard
Well, I
racing.
thought
You
they were
see
gonna
all
wreck
the
each
competitors
other.
congratulating Austin Cindric. They know how much it means to keep
That was so crazy.
the call by Brian Wilson. I didn't like it. I thought keep the track position. He did it. He knew he needed tires. He said they talked about it beforehand. And those
Watch this.
tires are what made these moves possible for Austin Cindric. You mentioned the bumper. Well, here was the first shot right here. He moves the 10 up into the
This
carousel.
is pretty clean, really.
Yeah. He moved him up the track a little bit. That's not that big of a deal.
Compared to what Allmindinger did to him.
Obviously.
Pushed him.
And Cindric way off course, and I think now Allmindinger, it's his race to win. But Allmindinger drives into turn 7 and misses the corner. here he turns.
Yeah.
You see right there?
And he messed up.
Major issues, and that allowed Cindric to get the run back on him.
Wow. That was unbelievable.
Finally won a race.
And you see the dejection. There is AJ Allmindinger. Was close.